Welcome to the Global Vision School Science Exhibition. Today, our enthusiastic Grade 3 students are thrilled to present their fascinating project on lava eruptions. They have worked hard to explore this powerful natural phenomenon, and we can't wait to share their insights with you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanay Atamsosin.
Hello everyone, and my name is Arhan Rafiq Sayyed. Hello everyone, and my name is Paras Sandeep Sawant.
Today I will talk about volcano. Volcano is a mountain that can explode with hot lava, ash and gas. Inside the earth, hot liquid rock called magma. When it comes out, it's called lava. Volcano can be active, erupting often, dormant, not erupting now but cooled later. One famous volcano is Mount Vesuvius in Italy and another is Mount Fuji in Japan. Even though volcanoes can be dangerous, they help create new land, make the soil for rich farming. Volcano can be are powerful, but they are also important for our planet.
Material is used to make volcano is water bottle, newspaper, starchy paper, watercolor, artificial plants, cotton and incense stick. What is volcano? A volcano is a landform such usually a mountain where molten rocks erupt on the earth's surface.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found the presentation on lava eruptions captivating and informative. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos from the Global Vision School.